Hello students, today we will solve linear equations of the type as you can see x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 equal to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. So first of all students, whenever such type of linear equations are given to you, when you see so many denominators, so first of all you have to take the LCM of denominators. So here students you can see we will take LCM of denominators. We have 2, 5, 3, 4. 2, 5, 3 and 4. We have to take the LCM of these denominators. So 2, 3, 4 and 5. Taking LCM, 2 ones 2, 3, 2 2 is 4. 5 will be same. Again dividing by 2. All these numbers. So 2 ones 2. 3 and 5 are not divisible by 2. Now this time it is not further divisible by 2. So we will divide by 3. So 3 ones 3. Now it is divisible by 5. So now we have all the remainders 1 1 1. It means division is complete. So multiplying all the divisors 2 2 3 and 5. So the final answer is 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 5 is 60. It means the given linear equation we have to make every denominator 60, or simply we will multiply every term of the given equation by 60. So first term x upon 2, multiply it by 60. Second term is minus 1 upon 5, multiply it by 60. On the right hand side x upon 3, multiply it also by 60, and the last term is 1 upon 4, multiply it also by 60. So multiplying every term by 60, we can eliminate denominator in this way. So 2 3 is 6, so 30. 5 12 is 60, 3 20 is 60, 4 15 is 60. Now students, the equation has become 30 into x, 30x minus 12, 12 ones 12, 20 into x, 20x, 15 ones 15. Now after this, transposing 20x to the left hand side and minus 12 to the right hand side. So this time students, we will separate the like terms. We will unite the like terms on one side, on the left hand side, and constant term on the right hand side. So 30x and its like term is 20x, because both the terms are containing x. So transposing 20x to the left hand side, 20x was positive on the right hand side, so it will be negative on the left. Similarly students, now on the left hand side we will left with plus 15. Now transpose this minus 12 to the right hand side, it will become plus 12 on the right hand side. Now 30x minus 20x, we will left with 10x, and on the right hand side we will get 15 plus 12, 27. Now dividing both sides by 10, because we have to let the variable alone on the left hand side. Only by that way we can find the value of x. So dividing both sides by 10. So dividing left hand side by 10 and dividing right hand side by 10. So here 10 10 cancel. So x equal to 27 upon 10, and dividing 27 by 10 we will get x equal to 2.7. So the solution of given equation is 2.7. Now students, I am taking another example. Another example is n upon 2 minus 3 n upon 4 plus 5 n upon 6 equal to 21. On the right hand side the denominator is not given, so we can place 1 there. Now this time students, we have 2 4 and 6 denominators. We never take 1 because 1 do not make any change. So when we find the solution, first of all we will again find the LCM. So LCM of 2 4 and 6. Now this time students, you can find LCM yourself. So LCM of 2 4 and 6 is 12. I am directly writing it. The LCM of 2 4 and 6 is 12. It means we have to multiply each term of the given equation by 12. So n upon 2, first term, multiply it by 12, minus 3n upon 4, multiply it also by 12, plus 5n upon 6, multiply it also by 12, and on the right hand side we have 21, multiply it also by 12. Now 2 6 is 12, 4 3 is 12, 6 2 is 12, and this now 6 into n, 6n, 3n multiply 3, so multiply 3 and 3, 9. Now 5 and 2, 5 2 is 10, 10 and n, and on the right hand side multiplying 21 and 12, 12 ones 12, carry 1, 12 2 is 24 plus 1, 25. Now students, 6n minus 9n plus 10n. So we will get 6n minus 9n minus 3n. Whenever one positive and one negative is given, always subtract, and 9 is greater than 6, so it will be, sign will be negative sign of the greater number. So minus 3n plus 10n, and on the right hand side we have 252. Now again different signs, so subtract, and which one is greater? 10 is greater than minus 3, so 10 minus 3 will be plus 7, equal to 252. Now student, we have to let the n alone on the left hand side, so this time dividing both sides by 7. So we will divide left hand side by 7, we will also divide right hand side by 7. So here 7 1 7, so on the left hand side we will left with only n, and on the right hand side we can divide 252. So 7 3 is 21, 25 minus 21 4, bring down 2, 7 6 is 42. The quotient is 36, so n equal to 36. This is the solution of given linear equation. Now we will solve. We take another example. Now this time students, we have x plus 7 minus 8x upon 3. This time 3 is the denominator of 8x only. 3 is not the denominator of x and 7. So what is the denominator of x? It is 1. Denominator 7 of can be taken as 1. Denominator of 17 is 6 on the right, and denominator 2 is of 5x. So this time we will take the LCM of 2 3 and 6, 2 6 and 3. So when we solve this, we will take LCM of 2 3 and 6. So similarly students, you can find LCM yourself. So LCM of 2 3 and 6 is 6. Therefore multiplying each term by 6, so multiplying first term x by 6, multiplying 7 by 6, multiplying 8x upon 3 by 6 on the right hand side, multiplying 17 upon 6 by 6, and 5x upon 2 by 6. Now 3 2 is 6 here, 6 1s 6, 2 3 is 6. Now students, first term will become 6 into x, 6x, 7 into 6, 42, 8 into 2, 16, and x also, 17 ones on the right hand side, 17 ones 17, minus 5x into 3, so 5 into 3 15, and x. Now students, you can see this term is containing x, and this minus 15x is also containing x, so these are like terms, so we will put them on one side. We will bring this minus 15x to the left hand side. So when minus 15x is transposed to the left hand side, it will become positive. So on the left hand side, keep only the terms containing x. So 6x minus 16x also, and when we bring down, when we transpose this minus 15x to the left hand side, it will become plus 15x, and on to the right hand side 16 is already there, so transposing minus plus 42 to the right hand side, it will become minus 42. Now students, solve only the numerical terms. See the numerical terms, 6 minus 16 plus 15. Solving it, 6 minus 16, we will get minus 10x plus 15x, and onto the right hand side 17 minus 42. 17 minus 42, we will left with minus 25, because 42 is greater number. So sign will be of greater number. So minus 10 and 15, 5x, because this time 15 is greater and 15 has positive sign, so 5 will be positive. So 5x equal to minus 25. Now students, we will also eliminate 5 from the left hand side, so either by dividing or by multiplying. So we can divide here by 5, and we will also divide the right hand side by 5. So dividing by 5, so 5 ones 5 and 5 5 ja 25. So on the left we have x only, and on the right hand side we have minus 5. So x equal to minus 5 is the solution of given linear equation. Now students, we have the last one. Now here you can see, students, you can also separate the terms, or because 3 is the denominator of x minus 5, so 3 is the denominator of x, and 3 is also the denominator of 5. On the right hand side, 5 is again the denominator of x minus 3. It means 5 is the denominator of x, and 5 is also the denominator of minus 3. Now this time students, we have to take LCM of 3 3 5 5. So we will take only 1 3 and 1 5. So LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. It means we will multiply each term of this equation by 15. So multiplying first term x upon 3 by 15, multiplying second term 5 upon 3 by 15. On the right hand side, multiplying x upon 5 by 15, and multiplying 3 upon 5 also by 15. So 3 5 is 15, 3 5 is 15 here, 5 3 is 15, and 5 3 is 15. So first term we have x into 5, so 5x. Second term 5 into 5, 25. On to the right hand side, x into 3, 3x, and minus 3 into 3, 9. Now students, these two terms 5x and 3x both are containing x, so they are like terms, so we will put the like terms on the one side. So transpose this 3x to the left hand side. So 3x, the sign on the right is positive sign, so when we transpose it, it will be negative 3x onto the left. Transpose this minus 25 to the right hand side. On the right hand side we already have minus 9, so when we transpose plus 25 minus 25 to the right hand side, it will be plus 25 there. Now 5x minus 3x, we will left with 2x, and minus 9 plus 16, subtract it, we will get 16 plus 16, because 25 this time is greater number. Now dividing both sides by 2, dividing left hand side by 2, dividing right hand side by 2. Why do we divide by 2? Because the coefficient of x was 2, so we have to eliminate 2. So 2 ones 2, and here 2 8 is 16, so x equal to 8. This is 8. So x equal to 8 is the solution of given linear equation. So similarly students, you can also solve many other questions and also practice more questions. Till then, thank you.